So once we pay to our supplier, this is the payment which goes to our supplier, like using a TransferWise and that kind of stuff. After that, the supplier will ship the goods to the UK. Once the goods will arrive at UK customs, then sometime it's DHL, sometime it's FedEx, depending on whoever is dealing with it. They normally collect the custom duty from you. You don't pay directly to HMRC. So just to make HMRC job easier, HMRC tells the logistics company, the freight companies, just to collect the VAT from the customer and duties from the customer, and then they are the one who pass it to HMRC. So you don't have to do anything. So once the good will arrive to the customs, FedEx will sometimes send you the letter, or sometime they will send you the message, or sometime they will send you an email with the link inside. So you just simply click on that link, you pay that import VAT and you pay that custom duty online, and then they will simply deliver the goods to you as well. This is the way it normally work. But in order for us to actually calculate how much that import VAT and how much the duties are going to be, we need to obviously calculate everything before we can order it. So we know how much the cost price is going to be in total. Either this product will be worth selling or not as well. So for that, what I normally do, once I contact the supplier, I will leave this one inside the template as well. I ask them what is the commodity code for the product which you are selling, because HMRC website right here, it's not really helpful in terms of finding exactly the price for this one, like exactly what is going to be the duty for this one. So what I normally do is go to HMRC tariffs, just Google it and then look for this one and then start now. So you can't, the way I say this is not very useful, because you can't just simply put Bluetooth speaker here and then this will come up, because this normally classify in the terms of like plastic. So if we go to household article, then it will show up. But just to get exactly how much is going to be, what I normally do, I search by commodity code. So you can just simply search by commodity code as well. Once you're talking to your supplier, you ask them what is the commodity code for this particular product. They normally know. So you get that code, then come on to HMRC website, and then you will be able to see how much the duty you will be paying and how much you will be paying in the terms of VAT. VAT is always 20%, and this one, the duty normally changes product to product, which is normally 5%, 6%, depends on the product. Again, I said get the commodity code, put that commodity code right here, and then you will be able to see how much is going to be your import duty. Just to calculate, just to make your life easier, I'm going to give you one example where I'm going to show you step by step how you can calculate the cost by yourself, because a lot of people just simply don't know this and they just get it wrong so many times. So this is a little bit presentation right here. So the first thing you have to understand is something called CIF. C for your cost of the goods, I for your insurance, and F for freight. That's it normally stands for. So in simple words, cost of your goods, your shipping, how much you have paid, and then insurance. So let's say you have paid £700 for the goods, £200 for your shipping, and £100 for your insurance. To your supplier, you have paid £1,000 in total. Then your CIF is actually £1,000. Keep this in mind. This is cost of the goods, insurance, and freight. These three things. In simple word, cost of the goods, shipping, and insurance. These two lines, just keep these in mind. Okay. Now we need to calculate the duty. Calculating a duty is very simple. You find out the percentage from the HMRC website by getting a commodity code from your supplier. And then let's say it was 5%, right? 1,000 which you have paid, duty is normally CIF multiplied by whatever the percentage is for your duty. So let's say in this case was 5%. I'm gonna 1000 which we paid, which is our CIF, multiply by 5%, so I done 0.05, so which means £50 is going to be our import duty on this product based on 5% calculation. Now this is where people get it wrong. People just think the VAT is just going to be 20% of £1,000, which is wrong. It's not 20% of £1,000. To calculate the VAT, you have to put 20% of the £1,000 plus on the top you have to add the duty as well. So it's not 20% of the £1,000, it's actually 20% of the 1,050. So you add this £50 into the £1,000, which means you add CIF plus duty is actually it's the 20% of CIF plus duty, both of them right here. So to calculate that with the 20%, 1,050 I done multiply by 0.2, which is going to be 210. So which means that the total cost, which is going to be the landing cost of our product, is going to be 1,260, which include our all the expenses. So cost of the goods, shipping, insurance, our duty, our VAT, all that kind of stuff as well. Again, I said the cost of the goods you will pay directly to your factory using TransferWise, and then in the terms of who gonna be collecting this £260 from you, either it's going to be FedEx or DHL, whoever is dealing with the logistics of your shipping as well. So they will send you the link, you pay, go online, you pay using your credit card, debit card, and then they will just simply send the goods to you. It's simple as that. I hope you understood right here.